In Canberra, we have some soils that are very rocky and clayey, and it's really important to do good preparation in your garden before you actually start planting plants or sowing grass, to make sure that we have a good structure so that the water can get in deep and we're not using as much water. When we come to our site, we put down a clay breaker to break up some of that clay to be able to get the plant's roots down deep into the soil. And then we would look at using something like a planting compost to help us build up the soil, and so we've got something for the plants to grow into. So when you first get your garden, it's really important to learn a little bit about whether it's acid or alkaline. So you can get a pH kit, buy one at your local garden centre and have a look at whether the soil is acid or alkaline. Most plants grow in between 5.5 and 6.5 of pH, so it's slightly acid. It just depends on what type of plants you're growing. So it's important to have a look at that. We might need to change the pH. We can use things like lime or sulphur to bring the pH up or down, so it would depend on what your result tells you.